Hi guys, this is Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom. Have you always wanted to know what the difference between a sales funnel and a capture page and how to do all those emails that everybody says the money's in the list? Well, this is your chance to learn, guys. I've finally got it all together and I've compiled for you an affiliate marketing for beginners course, and I've called it Affiliate Marketing for Dummies because I've made it really easy. This is what it looks like. It's a free course and I want some beta testers at the moment. So affiliate marketing is everybody's dream. Find a product, stick it on the internet, get 50% in sales, and boom, you get money. How do you do it really? Is it really possible? Now, we've got a Facebook group that we want you to join, and once you put get started, I've got a free gift there, but once you put get started, you will see this. What is your niche? This is the course itself. We've broken it up into day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, but you can do it all at once if you're really that inclined. All we ask you to do is go to the Facebook group and answer the questions and put your homework in the questions. So if I've said what's your niche after this homework, you have to go in, find this little what's your niche blue thing here and put your niche in the Facebook group, because there are prizes to be won, random prizes that you're going to love, but I'm not going to tell you what they are here because it's a surprise. It's full of surprise. So that's day 1. If you go on to, let me have a look, day 2. Oh, this is day 4, sorry. I've put the whole thing together. I've put the product that I've decided to promote, which happens to be my product. I've done you 4 email swipes, which I've given you free here. And all you've got to do is follow the step-by-step process, because the capture page will only take, say, 5 minutes. Then you've got to link the capture page to the email. For the capture page is on here as well. But we've reminded you every day to go and post your homework in the Facebook group, because the more you do that and the more you interact and you introduce yourself with a video, you might get chosen for a prize. And it's a great way to get a community going. At the very, very end, yes, there's an upsell. So if you want to get all these bonuses like this, so there is, you know, everybody goes, oh, can't be bothered. Mindset focus. Come on, I've given you an 8-video series on how to focus. The Facebook leads machine, how to get leads, which is my products. Affiliate, anything to help you with affiliate marketing, top 10 businesses 2019, and a free holiday. But if that doesn't float your boat and you say no thanks, you get the chance to get the product at the very end. I'm really excited about this. So if you want to improve this funnel in any way or add something to it that could make this better, there is at the very end a little questionnaire where on page 5, whichever page 5 is. And the more feedback I get, the better this becomes. So beta test it for me. I'll put the link below, and I'll see you in the group, and it'll be great to get to know you all. See you later, guys. Bye.